This is Ghost Watches. I'm Casper, and it's time for another 1 minute unboxing. Now, I think I know what's already in this box. I'm part of the RandomRob Patreon group, and so he sent over one of his mugs. Super stoked to get this, wholesome watch tools and things like that. But Rob said he was sending over another thing for me, and I think it's a watch. Oh my goodness. It's the Christopher Ward C65. I've been wanting to try this watch out. Let's throw it on the time grabber. All right, I've let it run for a little bit. Face up, we're looking at plus 3 seconds per day. Face down, it's the same, about plus 2 to 3 seconds per day. Lastly, with the crown left, so it's sitting like this watch is running a stellar 0 seconds per day. I'm gonna spend some time with this watch, give it a good wear, and then give you my thoughts on it coming real soon.